Good day guys, it's Mike Kelly Gaga. You're welcome to Mike Network Coding. Wishing you guys a Merry Xmas and a prosperous New Year. Today's class would be about styling links. So I'm just gonna open my Notepad++. We talked about links in our previous class. So if you do not know what links is all about, you would go move over to our previous class where we talked about links. So in this class we will be talking about how you can style your links. So I'm just gonna bring up a link. I'll open and closing and call tag, and in this link I'm going to type in this link. I'm just going to type in Michael, and remember href, and let's just put in a hashtag there to stand for our link page and save this. So I'm going to run this on Firefox now. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little so you could see this very clearly. Okay, so from what we're seeing here is the default color for our link. It's blue, and the text decoration is underlined. So we will be talking about 4 different things which pertains to styling our links. So which is when our link is, because this is a default color for our link, and we'll talk about when we hover our link, what our link is going to look like. When our link is active, that is while you're pressing down your cursor on your link, what it will look like, and after our link has been visited. So let's move over to CSS. So I'm gonna type in the 4 different styles for our link. The first one is when our link is our default link, which I'm gonna type now as A, open and close and curly braces. And the next one is gonna be when we hover, semicolon and hover. So this is going to be for when we hover our link, and the next one is going to be active. Now this is when you're pressing down your cursor key on your link. And the last one is going to be A tag semicolon visited. This is after you have visited your link. So these are the 4 aspects we are going to talk about in styling our link. So but let's move over to our Firefox and know what the default for this is. So when our link, the default color for our link is blue. So when we hover through the link, there's no change. So I'm going to press down on our link, and let's see what the style is. So when I press down, it's red and the text decoration is underlined, and after I get my hands up the cursor, you could see after the link has been visited, the color is purple. So we are going to talk about how we could style it to our own taste. So I'm gonna clear our history so you could go back to the default color of the browser link. So for instance, I wanted my default color to be green, and I needed the color when you hover around it to be yellow or something else. Then when it's active also, and after you visited it, I want it to my own taste. So I'm just going to move over to CSS because I've already written the codes to style links when it's active, when it's when you hover, when it's active, and after the link has been visited. So our default color, let's give it a default color of for our link. I'm gonna give it a color of green, and the text decoration of none. Now when we hover our link, let's give it a color of, I'm going to give it a color of blue, and the text decoration is going to be blue. And then when our link is active, because I don't want it to be the same thing with the default color of browser we have, so I'm going to change it to, let's change it to gray, and I'll leave the text decorations. It's gonna use the text there's a little mistake here. The text decoration is supposed to be underlined, so since there's no change, since I didn't make any changes when the link is active, so the text decoration is going to use the same one while we hover. So then the last one is going to be after the link has been visited, which I'm going to give it a color of, say, let's leave it purple or red. Okay, I'm going to give it a color of red, and the text decoration of no. And I'm going to save this now and move over to our browser, and when I refresh this, you could see that the default color now is green, like we started in our CSS. And when I hover around the link, the color is blue, and we have a text decoration of underline. And when it's active, which I'm going to do now, you can see it's green, and the text decoration, since I did not change it, it's still underlined. And after our link has been visited, the color is red, and the text decoration, of which I gave it the text decoration of none, so there's no text decoration there of underline. So with this, that's how you can style your links. And I think that will be all for this class. Please don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, like or share my video. It's really going to help my channel grow, and I'll see you guys in the next class. Thank you.